Jeremy Lin is a Taiwanese-American professional basketball player for the Beijing Ducks of the Chinese Basketball Association. He was born in Torrance, California on August 23, 1988. His parents Gi Ming and Shirley immigrated from Taiwan to the United States in the mid-1970s, first settling in Virginia before moving to Indiana, where they both attended universities. Lin's younger brother, Joseph, became a professional basketball player in Taiwan. His older brother, Joshua, studied dentistry at New York University. Lin is an evangelical Protestant and was a leader in Harvard's Asian American Christian Fellowship during his time there. In October 2016, Lin donated $1 million to Harvard University to support undergraduate financial aid and renovations to Leavitt's Pavilion. In August 2019, he left the NBA and signed with the Ducks, where he became a CBA All-Star. Lin was the first American of Chinese or Taiwanese descent to play in the NBA and is one of the few Asian Americans to have played in the league. He was the first Asian American to win an NBA championship, having done so with the Toronto Raptors in 2019. Lin appeared on the covers of Sports Illustrated and Time and was named to the Time 100 as one of the most influential people in the world. In July 2012, Lin won the ESPY Award for Breakthrough Athlete of the Year. In 2014, Madame Tussauds unveiled a wax figure of his likeness at its San Francisco branch. In 2016, Lin starred in an episode of the Comedy Central series Viralocity, playing a heightened version of himself. On August 27, 2019, Lin signed with the Beijing Ducks of the CBA for a reported US $3 million per year. Lin ended the season with averages of 22.3 points, 5.7 rebounds and 5.6 assists, and he was a finalist for the CBA Defensive Player of the Year award. Lin was named to the USA Basketball men's select team to scrimmage against the 2012 USA Olympic team candidates, but he did not participate due to his restricted free agent status with the Knicks. In August 2020, he obtained a Taiwan passport. Lin signed with the Toronto Raptors on February 13, 2019, joining a playoff contender. Toronto advanced to the 2019 finals, winning the series in 6 games over Lin's former team Golden State. In the first NBA finals held outside of the United States, Lin became the first Asian American to win an NBA title. On July 7, 2016, Lin signed a 3-year $36 million contract with the Brooklyn Nets. He ended the injury-plagued season with a total of only 36 games played, averaging 14.5 points and 5.1 assists per game. On July 9, 2015, Lin signed a 2-year $4.3 million contract with the Charlotte Hornets, who used their biannual exception in the deal. Lin's only season with the Hornets came to an end after they were defeated in 7 games by the Heat in the first round of the playoffs. He finished 7th in voting for the NBA Sixth Man of the Year award.